Today I am going to teach about key principles in distillation material balances. This is very important topic in chemical engineering, especially for separation process. Here are two fundamental equations. One is overall mass balance, that is feed is equal to distillate plus bottom. This means that total mass entering the distillation column is equal to the total mass coming out from the top and bottom. Means if you see here, so feed is entering that distillation column and that one top product is coming out, that is called distillate, and bottom is coming out, so that is called bottom product. Another is component mass balance. So feed into xf is equal to distillate into xd plus bottom into xb. So here xf, xd and xb are the composition of the more volatile component into feed, distillate and bottom respectively. So here suppose toluene, benzene and toluene. So benzene may be, so benzene and toluene is separating using the distillation column. So here benzene may be more volatile and toluene is less volatile. So xf will be the composition of benzene. Similarly xf, so xd will be the composition of benzene. Here xb is the composition of benzene. Here you have to remember when you apply these two fundamental equation, so you have to remember that key assumption. So one is the column is running in steady state, so there is no accumulation of the material and it is a physical separation only, no chemical reaction. So that's it. Thank you.